Okay, now subsets and supersets. Let me tell you what are subsets. Subsets, again I'm repeating, this is just the previous lecture, that they are a few of the elements or some or all the elements are present in subsets. Supersets are greater element where all the elements of the parent sets are there. For instance, that if you look over here, A, B, C, D, E and A, B, C, so I can say that X is superset of Y. Why? Because X has more elements than Y and few of the elements are common in both X and Y. I will say that Y is subset of X. Why Y is subset of X? Because D and E, two elements are missing from set X and few elements are common. So this is subset and this is superset. Now let's look at how I will show through Venn diagram and how I will find X union X union Y. Okay, X union Y, you will again do this A, B, C, D, copy the elements from top, copy the elements from top. Union, again it's very easy, just write down the common elements. Now this time how we will show subsets and supersets. Always remember girl that subsets and supersets we show in Venn diagram one circle into another circle. In overlapping you show like this the common elements, and in subsets and supersets we always make one circle into another one because one circle is bigger, another one is smaller, because this time elements are few elements are missing from the parent sets. Okay, just revise back the definition of subsets. This will make sense to you. Okay, now I have to represent A, B, C, D, E. Now this time X outside, Y outside. So X members A, D and E, these are the members, these are the elements which are not there in Y. So I will write here D and E. A, B, C are present in X also, A, B, C are present in Y also. Therefore I have written this in the center. And this is showing that Y is subset of X. Y is subset of X. Okay, now X intersecting Y. How you will show X intersecting Y? Again you will just write down the common elements. Again you will show this circle into one another. Only highlight A, B, C, which are the common elements in both X and Y. Okay, now X minus Y, how I will find out X minus Y? X minus Y, I will only write X elements, I will not write Y elements. So A, B and C, they are common in Y, and D and E will come here because they are here in X. I will only highlight X part, D and E, which represent X minus Y in subsets and supersets. Okay, then Y minus X. Y minus X, how I will show it? A, B, C and A, B, C, D, E. Now this time A cuts, B cuts, C cuts. There is not a single extra element in Y, so I will write empty set. Nothing is left. A, B, C. I will not write D and E because I told you we always write the first set's elements. So this time Y elements will be written and that is empty set. You will write down but you will not highlight any of the part which shows that this is an empty set. I hope this is clear to you all. Now girls, the homework part, please listen carefully. You will do exercise 1C, page number 16, question number 1, A till D parts. You will solve this using all the above examples. Please see the lecture again and again if the things are not clear. I am there, you can I am there for you, you can ask me, but make sure that you are not asking unnecessary questions. Thank you, take care, goodbye.